by Race Eva. Screenplay Committee, headed by Toby. Hair and makeup daw, yung mabangis pero may namimiss, Lorna Nerille. Oreo Committee, headed by Huwag mo akong iitirap, di pa tayo tapos. Anyway, Publication Committee, headed by its only member, Kristen Okay. Dito naman tayo sa mga nakakairitang tao. Let's go! Hindi siya nagpo-folder. Hindi siya nag-quick. Ay, sa Montañer by Cindy Picardo. Medyo maldita, pero mukhang aswang. Shane Lozande as Norma. Come here, this instant. Eto, pulubin na may braces. Isa Baltazar as Jen.